Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about the first step out of debt. Let's get into the video. Debt can feel overwhelming, stressful, and emotionally exhausting. For many people, it becomes more than just a financial problem. It affects confidence, relationships, mental health, and future goals. Whether it's credit card balances and medical bills, student loans, or personal loans, debt has a way of making people feel trapped. But no matter how difficult your financial situation may seem, there is always a way forward. The journey out of debt does not begin with making more money, with winning the lottery, or finding a perfect financial strategy. The first step out of debt begins with one simple but powerful action: facing your financial reality honestly. That may sound basic, but it is often the hardest step of all. Why most people stay stuck in debt? Many people avoid dealing with debt because it creates anxiety and fear. They may ignore account balances, avoid opening bills, delay checking bank accounts, continue spending emotionally. Hope the problem improves on its own. Unfortunately, avoiding debt usually makes the situation worse. Interest continues to grow, late fees increases balances, and financial stress becomes heavier over time. You cannot fix what you refuse to face. The moment you decide to confront your finances honestly, you begin taking back control. The first step is know what you owe. The first practical step out of debt is creating a complete picture of your financial situation. List every debt you currently owe, including credit cards, personal loans, student loans, medical bills, car loans, tax debt. For each debt, write down total balance, interest rate, minimum monthly payment, due date. Many people are surprised by how empowering this process feels. Even though seeing the numbers may be uncomfortable at first, clarity reduces fear. Confusion keeps people stuck. Awareness creates direction. Stop adding new debt. You cannot escape debt while continue to create more of it. One of the most important early steps is stopping unnecessary borrowing and reducing impulse spending. This may require using cash more often, limiting credit card use, avoiding emotional shopping, delaying non essential purchases. This step is not about punishment, it is about creating stability. Every dollar you stop borrowing is a step closer to financial freedom. Create a realistic budget. A budget is not meant to restrict your life, it is designed to give you money. It is designed to give your money purpose and direction. Many people fear budgeting because they think it means giving up everything they enjoy. In reality, budgeting helps you prioritize what matters most. Start by tracking income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, debt payments, saving goals. The goal is to identify where your money is going, what expenses can be reduced, how much can go towards debt each month. Even small adjustments can create meaningful progress over time. Build a small emergency fund. One reason people stay strapped in debt is because every unexpected expenses goes back onto a credit card. Without savings, emergencies become financial setbacks. Before aggressively paying down debt, many financial experts recommend building a small emergency fund, often around 500 to 1000. This creates a financial cushion that helps prevent future borrowing when life happens. Choose a debt payoff strategy. Once you understand your finances, choose a strategy for paying off debt. Two popular methods include debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, gain quick wins and momentum, and build motivation. Debt avalanche method, focus on highest interest debt first, saves more money long term, reduce interest faster. Both methods can work. The key is consistency. The best debt strategy is the one you can stick with. Increase income when possible. While reducing expenses matters, increasing income can accelerate debt payoff significantly. Ways to increase income may include freelancing, side hustles, overtime work, selling unused items, starting a small business. Additional income creates more flexibility and allows larger debt payments. However, increased income only helps if spending remains controlled. Understand the emotional side of debt. Debt is not always caused by irresponsibility. Many people fall into debt because of medical emergencies, job loss, divorce, inflation, lack of financial education, emotional spending habits. Shame often keeps people from seeking help or taking action. The truth is, financial mistakes do not define your future. What matters most is your willingness to move forward. Progress matters more than perfection. One common mistake most people make is expecting instant results. Debt freedom takes time, especially if balances are large. There may be setbacks along the way, unexpected expenses, slow progress, financial frustration. That does not mean you are failing. Every payment matters, every smart decision matters, every step forward counts. Financial freedom is gradually through consistency. Discipline creates long term freedom. The process of getting out of debt teaches valuable financial habits that can change your life permanently. As you improve your money management, you begin learning discipline, patience, delayed gratification, financial awareness, confidence. These habits not only help eliminate debt, they help build wealth later. Debt freedom is not just about numbers, it's about creating a healthier relationship with money. In conclusion, the first step out of debt is not complicated, but it requires courage. It begins with honesty, awareness, and the decision to stop avoiding the problem. Once you face your financial clarity, you can begin building a plan, reducing debt, and creating financial stability one step at a time. No matter how overwhelming debt feels today, progress is possible. Small action, repeated consistently, can completely change your financial future. The journey out of debt starts the moment you decide that your future matters more than your fear. Thanks for watching this video. and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.